Hi guys, it's around 11 o'clock and we just give a stop. We just saw a nice waterfalls here and look at this waterfalls. It's on the way to Kochi. Look at this waterfalls. This is really awesome, isn't it? Hey guys, we just reached Fort Kochi beach. It took around 3 hours to reach here from Munnar, and we'll roam around here and we'll show you like how this Fort Kochi beach looks like. This is actually kind of a rock beach. I mean, there's no sand. So far there is no sand. This is how the beach looks like. I mean, this is how sea looks like. We are just walking around. We are just roaming around Fort Kochi beach. Left side you can see the bungalows. This looks really good. I mean, I don't know this is a personal bungalows or not. This is a PWD rest house. This Fort Kochi beach to Marari beach. Tonight stays will be in Marari beach, and this road is really good. So calm, full of trees, adjacent to Fort Beach, Kochi. Hey guys, so this is Kochi to Marari beach road. It's really adjacent to the beach. Right side, it's all the bungalows you are seeing. Those all having the beachfront side, so they can just go to that beach directly. This is really adjacent. I can see on my map. You can see this. We are just going between two beach. Right side is the beach, left side is the backwater. So this Kochi and Alipi, this two adjacent city, and both are in both is having backwater. And the weather is really nice today. I thought that it will be raining, but it's really clear sky. There is no rain at all, and yep. So we'll go to our hotel right now. That is in Marari. It will take around 42 kilometer, 1 hour and 9 minutes from here. Stay tuned, guys. Stay with us and watch our full Kerala episodes and journey. Hey guys, we are about to reach Zero Tides Marari resort. So it's just a 1 minute drive from here. Road is congested. This is our tonight stay. It should be adjacent to beach. So let's see how it looks like. This is the entry. You can see this is the adjacent sea beach. Such an awesome view here from the Arabian Sea, that is. And yeah, so we'll give you a room tour. That's pretty much our room. Baggage area, bed and a cupboard, sitting area, small mini bar. Water bottle, mirror, and that's the restroom. Shower area. These are the rooms, villas available. I think this is a bigger villa. Azure at Marari Resort. This is our villas. Oh, this is nice. It's really adjacent to that beach. And this is. Hey guys, good afternoon. This is 6 o'clock around, and this is almost like a private sea beach. Look at this. Look at this. This is our hotel, and yeah. So that's our hotel. That's our room. That's our villas. So it's Azure Tides. They have almost a private beach. Look at this Azure beach. It's so beautiful. We are getting a clear sky. The sky is almost clean. So it's a sunset view, and it's Arabian Sea actually, and this hotel is really awesome. We are enjoying a lot. Hello guys, this is our dinner tonight. We just ordered fish malabari and rice and some Keralian fish curry, and look at this view. Good morning friends. It's 8:30 and we are at Marari Beach, Azure Tide Resorts. They have this adjacent beach with our villas, and the morning was a bit cloudy today. Yesterday it was sunny, you saw that, but today it's cloudy. It rained today at morning, and we'll go for a breakfast now, and we'll check out and we'll go to Alippi. So yeah, this is pretty much about this hotel. We are going for breakfast, so let's see what's available for breakfast today. Masala omelette, sambar, idli, dosa, vada dosa, sorry, puttu, veg stew, appam, and flex juice. Just had our breakfast. We'll check out after some times. There are a couple of more villas on my right side, so we are on left side. This is the restaurant, and that's the reception. That side the villa starts, Bit cloudy today, typical monsoon area, I mean monsoon weather. This side it's big villas, I think that's for 4 person. They mostly do fishing just because it's beach, it's sea, so definitely fishing should be the one they are living actually. Hey guys, look at this, fishermen are catching fish. I don't know they got any fish or not. It doesn't look like they got any fish. Hey guys, it's going to be 10 o'clock and we're going to check out now. So this is Azure Tide Marari Resort, adjacent to the beach. This is the view from the beach, and now we'll talk about the tariff. So per night with breakfast it took 7,095 rupees. Okay, and the hotel is nice, and but the problem is the management is not good at all. So we ordered 2 fish curries and two rice, but they messed up with the order totally. They gave me same food, same curry, fish curry, which is not much tasty. Plus I mean it's not much tasty actually. Yeah, so that's the problem. And the management, I don't like the management. You saw that reception, so the reception is not good. I mean they should have improved this reception a bit more. So yeah, so the so overall I don't really recommend to stay this hotel if you are at all looking for adjacent beach, but I think you will get Marari beach, you will get many more resources like that. So it's up to you, but I don't much recommend this hotel. Okay, so yeah, that's all. That's my review of this hotel, but the view is really good. If you're looking for a stay with a private beach, then this you can come here. If you can ignore other whatever I have told, so that you need to consider maybe. Yeah, thank you guys. So stay with us, give us a thumbs up to our channel and subscribe our channel.